Hey guys, I'm going to open up my iPhone settings and you're going to see something super cool. So let me just go over the software update and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to go to general and show you guys right here. So as you can see, I'm currently updated to the newest version of iOS, 15.5. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak on this newest version of iOS without a computer, guys. This is super cool. It's completely for free. So let's get right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Okay, so what you want to do, guys, is follow my guide. We're going to go over to this website, jail-ios.com. So let me just type it in right here. So it's jail-ios.com. And this is where we can do the jailbreak. So as you can see, it says iOS 9 to iOS 15. So once you're here, guys, we will see the download on iPhone and the download on Windows. Obviously, I don't know why you'd want to do that. We're just going to directly do it on the iPhone. So press the blue button, and it's going to bring us to the verification page. And then all we have to do is go ahead and download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. Now, these are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. And this is nothing but remaining files for the jailbreak. They've hidden it in these apps. So I'm going to do the Norton VPN. So I'm going to take you guys to the App Store and show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to go. All right. And these are totally free, guys. I mean, you can see it for yourself. You don't have to believe me. So I'm going to download this VPN. And then while this is downloading, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download a second app. So let me just go back onto the list and download the second app. So make sure you get at least 2 of them. For my second app, I'm going to do Evertail. It's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just wait. And I'm just going to let it load. All right. And now I'm going to go to my home screen, just wait for these to download. So I'm just going to go and check it out. All right, so the VPN's downloaded, so I'm going to open it up, and I'm just going to do some basic interactions, guys, touching around, basic stuff. I mean, you don't have to be a pro for, like, the games and stuff. You just have to go ahead and press around the buttons, and this will basically just trigger the device to become jailbroken. I know it sounds kind of weird, but that's how they're doing it without a computer. So let me just stay on this VPN for a little bit more. I'm going to press around with some of the buttons, but you don't have to, like, pay for the VPN or anything. And as you guys can see, all right, I'm just like scrolling through the menus. All right, so you know what? I think we've done a decent bit of time. So what we're going to do, guys, is go and do the other app, which is Evertail. So this is a game. And basically, guys, we're just going to go ahead and scroll through it. And, like, I'm just going to let it load here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to let it play out here. All right, super cool. So, yeah, guys, basically you just have to download these apps, run them. You're going to be all set. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So let's play through this here, as you guys can see. All right, super easy. So yeah, I know they're probably going to be different. This is all region-based. It's all inside the files of the website, but you might see different apps, and that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this for a little bit more, guys. I don't know what's going on, but I'm just playing through it. And by playing, I just mean pressing around like this dialog box. So you don't have to be a legend. You don't have to like play to level 22 or something. But make sure you read the instructions. So we're done. So now Cydia should pop up or the device should respring or something like that. So let's see if it happens. And there we go, Cydia. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys that, yes, this is working. It had to reboot, but there you go, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this one out for yourself, guys. Get the word out about this method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys. Definitely try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool. Like, look at this. I mean, you are getting the fully working Cydia. And I mean, it's compatible with all the tweaks you love, so you can download whatever you want, themes and all that cool. Like, you know, you scroll over and the animation's different, stuff like that. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.